Hello kids, welcome to another video. Today we are going to learn alphabet from A to Z with your favorite YouTube Kids channel. Let's start with some colors name. Pink color, black color, red color, olive color, blue color, purple color, yellow color, brown color, light green color and green color. Let's start. Green color. A for apple. Yellow color. B for banana. Light green color. C for coconut. Pink color. D for dove. Blue color. E for elephant. Olive color. F for fish. Purple color. G for garden. Black color. H for hen. Brown color. I for ice. Green color. J for jackfruit. Pink color. K for kite. Light green color. L for lemon. Blue color. M for moon. Red color. N for net. Olive color. O for orange. Purple color. P for pot. Black color. Q for queen. Yellow color. R for rat. Brown color. S for sun. Green color. T for table. Purple color. U for umbrella. Light green color. V for vest. Blue color. W for watch. Red color. X for X-ray. Olive color. Y for yolk. Purple color. Z for zebra. Let's again. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Please do like and subscribe our channel. Keep watching for next video. Thank you.